Owning rental property can be lucrative, but it also comes with risks. What if you could protect your personal assets while enjoying tax benefits? That's where transferring your rental property to a limited liability company, or LLC, comes in. An LLC is a business structure that combines the personal asset protection of a corporation with the tax benefits of a partnership. For rental property owners, this means shielding your personal assets from potential lawsuits related to your property, while potentially reducing your tax burden. So, how do you transfer your rental property to an LLC? Let's break it down step by step. First, form your LLC by filing articles of organization with your state's corporations division. You'll need to pay any required fees and complete necessary forms. Next, obtain a federal tax ID number, also known as an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is free and essential for opening business bank accounts, taking out loans, and filing taxes. Now, it's time to transfer the property deed. Obtain the appropriate deed form from your county recorder's office or online. Fill out the form, listing yourself as the grantor and your LLC as the grantee. Sign the deed, following your state's requirements for witnesses or notarization. After signing, record the deed with the registrar's office to make it part of the public record. Don't forget to update any existing lease agreements to reflect the LLC as the new landlord. If your property has a mortgage, you'll need to contact your lender before making the transfer. Some lenders may require you to pay off the mortgage or refinance before allowing the transfer. Others might permit it if you remain personally responsible for the mortgage. Be aware of the due on sale clause in your mortgage agreement. This clause allows lenders to demand immediate repayment of the full loan balance if ownership changes. Some banks may grant exceptions for transfers to LLCs, especially if you retain personal liability. You might need to refinance under the LLC, which could come with different terms and interest rates. When it comes to taxes, transferring property to an LLC is generally neutral. However, there are some considerations. If the property has increased in value, selling it to the LLC might trigger capital gains taxes. Some states also charge property transfer taxes when ownership changes, even to an LLC you own. On the plus side, most LLCs allow for pass-through taxation, meaning you can report rental income on your personal tax returns, avoiding double taxation. The LLC will also manage property depreciation, which can affect your taxable income. Keep in mind that LLC regulations vary by state. Some states have additional filing fees or regulations for real estate-related LLCs. For example, New York and Arizona require new LLCs to publish notices in local newspapers. California charges an annual LLC franchise tax. Research your state's specific requirements or consult with a legal expert to ensure compliance. In conclusion, transferring your rental property to an LLC can provide valuable asset protection and potential tax benefits. The process involves forming an LLC, updating property deeds, and informing financial institutions and insurers. While there are important considerations like mortgage agreements and state-specific regulations, many property owners find the benefits outweigh the costs. As always, consult with legal and tax professionals to determine the best course of action for your specific situation.